Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide favorite conversation on Skype app on Android device. Well, sometimes you may want to keep certain conversation private, especially if others have access to your device or if you are using Skype in public settings. Hiding favorite conversation ensures that sensitive or personal chats are not immediately visible to others. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Skype app, and then you can see the favorite conversation at the top here. So, the way to hide it, simply tap this icon and click Hide Favorite option here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide favorite conversation on Skype app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.